You know, it's really cool. When you're walking in downtown TC, just check out the facades of the buildings. And you'll notice some of them seem really old, like Main Street USA Disneyland old, and some of them a little bit newer. And there's a reason for that. We'll take this one here, for example. The building behind it is newer, within 100 years. But if you look at the buildings right below it, these ones are dated in the 1800s. You can see way back in the day, these were the buildings that were here, not these ones. And I think that is so cool. And by the way, this is the J. Edgar Hoover FBI building, which is FBI headquarters. It's been like this ever since they built it in the mid-1900s. Not much has changed. But I love the facades of these buildings, the old ones that they built in the 1800s, still untouched. And here's some more right here. Look at these old buildings. This one from 1868. And they're not going to tear them down. These are considered historical landmarks. And then a modern day building behind it. I don't know, it just kind of makes you wonder, like, what was this building in 1868? Were they apartments? I don't know. I find it cool.